Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the sweep tool. Now the sweep tool is very similar to the rail tool available in NURBS modeling. Now in order to access the tool, you can grab it here, or you can grab it here under the palette, or if you would prefer to use the puck, you can grab it here as well. Alright, so in order to use the tool, all you have to just click on it. Now it is advisable that you turn on the options box, and all you have to do is just click on the gen curve like this, press done, and click on the rail curve like this, and it's going to build you a nice surface or a set of subdivisional surfaces like this. Now if you prefer to use parallel mode, you can use that as well. So it is very similar to how monorail works. You can do that. And very similar to how rail works, you can also grab two rail curves. So all you have to do is just grab the sweep tool like this, pick the gen curve like this, press on. You can click on rail 1, you can click on rail 2, and it's going to build you a subdivisional cage like this. Now you don't have to use the curves. So if you prefer to use an subdiv edge, what you can do is just click on just turn the controls on. Again, click on the sweep tool like this. And for this one, I do suggest turning on chain select, but I'm just going to show it to you. So I'm going to again click on this gen curve over here. I'm going to press done, and all you have to do is just click on the cage like this in sequence, or of course you can use chain select as well. So I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to say press done, and you can click on this, and it's going to automatically select all of those. And you can say build, and you'll see that the parallel cage has been built. Now there are a couple options that you can use as well. So right now in this example, I just used a single degree curve. But let's say you have a little curvature. Let's say the curves that you have made is over degree 2 and over. What you can do is you can click here. You're going to say done, and you're going to click here as well. The sequence is the same. But because of this curvature and this curvature has a little bit of, or this curve and this curve has a little bit of curvature, you can also play around with the division as well. So if I increase the division, you'll see that it matches the profile of the curve a little bit better. And also if you look at the mode, you'll see that there's uniform and parametric. Now the uniform is just going to make sure that the distance between the CVs are relatively similar, while parametric is going to try to follow the profile of the curve as much as possible. All right, so in order to use this in a real life setting, you can, let's say you're trying to match the profile of the roof over here. So what you can do is grab the sweep tool over here, click on this curve like this as a gen. You can click on the rail 1, rail 2 like this, and it's going to build you a nice sweep or a set of cages like this. Now of course this is going through the center, so you probably have to match the CV structure a little bit better so that it's symmetrical, but this is a really nice tool. And if you prefer to match this profile a little bit more, since this has a little bit of acceleration, you can also change it to parametric, or even in uniform, you can increase the curvature bias to make sure that the structure follows the profile of the curve as much as possible. All right, so that is how to use the sweep tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.